What's up, guys? This is Minecraft Lover 3444. I am making beats with my awesome music creator. Check it. You get it? Okay, so let's start with something easy. I'm gonna do runs. See what we can create. Lights. Okay, that was one. Now, this is one of my favorite ones. It's quite long, so. This is a song I already made. Well, I tried. That's pretty much it. That was terrible, wasn't it? Sorry you had to listen to that. Anyway, if you like this video, punch that like button in the face like a boss. And high fives all around. And I'll see all you dudes in the next video. Oh yeah, and subscribe for more videos. I don't think any other YouTuber is gonna do this. Goodbye. Subscribe for more videos, and have a good day.